Margot rhymes with Argo, Yellow Virgo, Spago, Dr. Zhivago, Chicago. This is Robertson Boulevard. This is where this street begins, and it goes all the way down. There's the new pavilions. This is how close in proximity everything is, and this is how real everything is in Thomas Christopher Bridges' meaning of my name signature through Jesus Christ the Son. Keith Avenue, you know, the sound of Ka. Down that way is Ramaji. This way is Hilldale. So this is that green house, and this is how real everything is in Tom Burgess. This is an old house. This wasn't built recently. It's been here for a while. Look at these birds. There's a birdhouse here. These are parakeets. Parakeets. Parallel Entertainment. Josh Wolf's agency. This is how real everything is. They need to be locked in prison for life.